Welcome to rapidcarloans.net. Nothing can hold you back from buying your dream car. Auto financing is scary for seasoned and experienced car buyers. And it is certainly very difficult for young car buyers with no credit history. Most of them have never bought the car. Add to it the dubious dealers and scary lenders. It can be quite intimidating, isn't it? Well, do not be part of the stress brigade. You can get a car loan with no credit history. Rapid Car Loans makes it possible. The online car financing company believes that credit history shouldn't be the judge of your present financial condition. It wants every car buyer to fulfill his or her car dream. Bad credit history being irrelevant. So, it has introduced no credit car loans. Who can avail the no credit auto financing program? Anyone who doesn't have a credit history can apply for online approval of this car loan program. It is not limited to college students only. Anyone can submit their loan request, be it a first-time car buyer or someone who has always made cash purchases. Benefits of the loan program: affordable loan to help you build your credit history. Fulfill your dream of buying your favorite car. No compulsion of down payment or cosigner. This is your golden opportunity of buying your dream car. Don't let it slip away. Fill the secure car loan application form and get ready to the lifestyle of cars. Apply now. For more information on car loans with no credit, visit us at www.rapidcarloans.net. Or, if any question, you can email to us at finance@rapidcarloans.net. Best of luck.